So this is our nylon cable ties. The width is 4.8 and the length is 200 minimum. You can see this measures 200 length and the width is 4.8. You can see. 你看到吗 ？4.8 minimum, and you can see it's very high quality, very shine, and very soft. This material is 100% Nylon PA66 nylon material, so it's very high qualities. You can test. We can use it like this. Very easy. Have this design. It's very easy to lock. You can check. It's very strong. And we test another one. Can test. It's very strong, not broken. Impossible. Can see? It's a very good one. You can like this. It's very good strengthening. And this packing is 100 piece. That's all.